He's ready. You gotta tell me when though.
This is the screen.
Yeah, face the cameras.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oh my God! Here. I can't watch this.
All right, eat that son of a bitch.
Wow, he's really lively.
Oh, you want to get a different one?
We got a lively
Wow.
one.
You want to get a different one?
Yeah. No, you don't want
You did a lot, baby.
Put him in your mouth.
You know you
let him fly around in your mouth.
Oh God!
That'll be awesome.
Do you want a different one? We don't.
Not
he's
bugs.
really
Get her done.
Do it! Do it!
Do
I'll give
it.
you $5 if you eat it.
Wait a minute.
$5 to eat a live insect. Fuck yeah.
Why don't you give it to me?
I don't, oh.
You can get a different one. You can get a different one.
Eat it!
Get a different one.
You know you
All right, get a different one.
Everyone's crazy.
Be a baby.
He's not calming down either.
He's really crazy.
What's he doing? Is it? I can't
He's
see.
pissed.
Oh, that thing's like jackrabbit.
Maybe
No, I see. Get that thing away from me.
organ will squirt into your mouth. Flipping nails.
All right, come on. This is the longest video.
Flipping disgusting.
Oh, here, he's cool.
Do it. That'd be fucking cool.
That'd be kind of cool to put in your bedroom, like when you're sleeping. It's like you're camping. You get like them.
Yeah. And you're like a frog.
That'd
It's like,
be freaking kick ass.
Jamie, don't do it. But you're both
Frogs,
nasty.
Sure, he did.
That's like floating.
You only say when before you put it in. So I can
You don't
start
see
my
frogs
video.
die.
It's like 60 seconds.
Oh, God. I can't stop.
You tell us when.
All right, here goes nothing. Oh, my God. Nasty. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see the remains. All right.
I think I missed her putting it in her mouth. Can you go?